Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will discuss another trim related function, that is triml. So let's go through the program. So here we are again writing the code in fully free format, and below to that we are declaring some variables. So here I have declared two variables, technology and result. Both are of type character of length 20. On line number 17, we are assigning some values to the variable. So here I'm assigning some string to the technology variable. So this is like this, like we have a space, then dollar dollar, then space again, then rp dollar space gle and double dollar and spaces. Okay, so in our previous session we discussed about the trim function. So what trim function do, like it removes the spaces or the characters that we pass as a second parameter from the string from both of the side, like it removes it from left side as well as from right side. Today we are discussing about the triml function. What it do, it do the same thing but only from left hand side. Okay, so here also like the syntax is same. You have to just write percentage triml, then you can pass your source string, and after a colon you can pass this characters to trim. So again here this parameter is not mandatory, it is an optional parameter. If you want to trim any particular character from your string, then only you have to pass this. Otherwise by default it removes spaces from left side. Okay, in trim it removes spaces from both side, and also if we pass the second argument, then it remove that argument plus from both sides. But here in triml it removes the spaces from only the left side, and if we pass the second argument, then it removes that particular character from left side only. So let's see whether we are getting the output for this. So here on line number 27 we are just displaying, we are using this percentage triml on source string technology with space and dollar. So what it will do, it will remove the space and dollar from my string, but only from the left hand side. These values will be kept same. Why? Because we are using trim l. And on line number 29 we are just displaying the value and setting star inlr equals to star on. So let's compile this program and call it. So firstly it shows the as it is a string without using percentage triml. Now after it I hit enter, it shows me the trimmed value. So here you can see that these dollar and spaces are still there, but dollar and spaces from left hand side is removed, and it doesn't affect the string or argument which is inside the in between the values. So here dollar and space are present in between the rpgle, that's why it is still there. But it only remove or trim the values from left hand side. Okay, and if we don't pass this argument, let's check what will happen. Like if I remove this argument and compile it again, so what it will do, it will remove only the spaces, because by default separate character to trim is space. So here you can see that only spaces are removed only, uh, and dollar is still there. Okay, so it is optional parameter. If you want to trim any particular character, let's say if I want to remove space dollar and rp, I want to trim these things. So what I will do, I will pass these all values into my second argument. Okay, so in that way you can use this percentage trim l function, which is almost similar to trim function, just only one difference is there, that it will trim the values only from the left hand side. In the upcoming session we will discuss about one more function. So yeah, that's all for this session. So thank you for watching Texture Method.